Hello everyone. This video presentation here explains the problem and its solving approach in network security and cryptography.
As we all do have number of email account handles through which we often interact with thousands of people, and sometimes it may be the case that we are not sure about the authenticity of the person with whom we are interacting. Now the question arises, how we can make sure that people do not lie about their identity. So a way should be there so that people cannot fake about their identity. The only way to make sure that nobody can lie about their identity is authentication. Means one should authenticate for the very first time when you talk to them. Otherwise, you can't really be sure that someone else isn't impersonating them. In this approach, we need to prove the identity of the end users communicating over the network. In order to understand the authentication approach, let's consider an example of communication between two machines, machine A and machine B. Here, ADR-A represents the address of machine A, ADR-B represents the address of machine B, SK represents session key of server. Initially, before going ahead with the explanation, we should know the addresses of both machines. Machine A and machine B are to be shared with the server. Now, as in the figure, we can see machine A sends message 1 to the server saying that I want to communicate with machine B. On receipt of message 1 from machine A, server sends message 2 back to machine A containing its session key and one more copy of session key encrypted with machine B's address. This copy will be further sent to machine B by machine A. Now, machine A forwards the copy of session key, that is message 3, to machine B, which can be easily decrypted by machine B. On receipt of message 3, machine B sends an acknowledgement value, message 4, encrypted by session key to machine A to confirm that he has the session key provided by the server. Finally, machine A performs a simple operation on the acknowledgement value provided by machine B and resends that back to machine B just to verify machine A has the session key. Last, it can be concluded that following this authentication approach, a number of users can communicate over the network securely and no user can fake about his identity. Thank you.